This video will show you how to properly install the TRICO Tech wiper blade onto a 22mm push-button arm. Determine whether you have a wide or narrow push-button wiper arm by measuring it with a penny. A penny will fit snugly into the end of the wide 22mm wiper arm. It will not fit into the end of the narrow 19mm arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tab for the pre-attached adapter. Press the tab down with your thumb while pushing the pre-attached adapter back toward the release tab. The adapter will disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate adapter BC. Lower adapter BC into the cavity in the top of the blade. Slide adapter BC in the opposite direction of the release tab until it clicks in place. Adapter BC must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Holding your thumb on the front of the adapter, push the back end of the adapter into the open end of the wiper arm. The button on the top of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the arm. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm.